I'm gonna show you guys how I do this little half crown thing here. It's really easy and it's perfect for like day 3 or 4 curls, or just you got too much oil going on, which is what I did. Sometimes I put too much of a product and then I look kind of greasy, so that's when this hairstyle happens. I'll show you guys how I did it. So like I said, put too much product and now it's a little bit greasy right now. So grab 2 pieces and just grab and twist. Doesn't have to be neat, obviously. The point is that it is messy and get a little messy crown going. Once you have your 2 pieces, just go ahead and put it in a little bun. Nothing crazy. Okay, so now you just pull out each one. If you have bangs, be careful because they'll poke out like mine right here. You see that? Oop. You might need a bobby pin if you have bangs like mine. And then repeat on this side. And then get your little edge brush or toothbrush, as I use, because I don't see the point in having a special brush when a toothbrush works just fine. And that's it. All right, guys, bye.